Let's do it.
Water and a very small brush. So whatever project you're working on, you've probably taken your time and filled in whatever drawing you have and pressed nicely with the watercolor pencils like you would regular colored pencils. Maybe you even blended a little bit of red into orange or green into blue. Blending is good. Tiny little brush, dip it, make sure it's clean, swish a little bit, wipe it on the side, and then you will take your brush and just very lightly, you're gonna wet those watercolor pencils. And I kind of like to go in a circle motion. See how I'm just kind of pulling it around? Sometimes colors blend really nice together and sometimes they don't. They make a brownish, grayish color. But other times you might get a really nice blend when the two do mix together well. So the dry colored pencil kind of turns into a watercolor effect. And it doesn't completely take away the lines that you made when you were drawing with the colored pencil, but the more you kind of wet it and push it around, it should take a lot of it away, but it might not take all of it away. And just like when you're using watercolor, you don't want to over mix the colors together. That's kind of the beauty of watercolor, is that the colors kind of move around each other and connect to each other. You don't want to just keep stirring like I'm doing right now and mix them up and lose all of the really interesting colors you get when the water hits the paper. So I'm not making anything specific right now. I'm just looking at the colors and looking how the water is igniting the watercolor pencils to make more of a paint on my paper. Watercolor pencils are a great way to make little illustrations or drawings come alive. Have fun!